Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to do our first official harvest of the backyard garden. What is it? Let's head on back and I'll show you exactly what we're harvesting today. We are harvesting all of our finger-length radishes because, friends, we're going to can these babies up. So let's go ahead and collect all of the ones that we have here, and then we'll head inside and work on pickling up some radishes. Look at this bouquet of radishes. So many. All right, friends, so this is just one of the bushels of radishes that I've got. So let's head inside and start pickling some radishes. All right, friends, so we've got all of our beautiful radishes here, and we need to go ahead and give them a good wash before we slice them up. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut the tops off and the bottoms, and we're just gonna stick them over on this side in the sink. So some of them do have some bug damage, so I'll make sure I cut from there. And the tops I'm gonna go ahead and put in here and give to my pig and the chickens. All right, friends, so we've got all of our radishes all cleaned up, and I've got my handy dandy little chopper here, and we're just gonna go ahead and start chopping up our radishes. All right, we've got all our radishes sliced. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our brine. All right, friends, so for our brine, we're gonna go in with 2 cups of water and 2 cups of 5% acidity white vinegar. We've got our pickling spices. We'll do 2 tablespoons of that. And our canning salt. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of canning salt. Go ahead and give this a good mix, and we're gonna let this come up to a boil. Next, you're gonna go ahead and get your mason jars and make sure you wash them really well. And we're just gonna start adding in our radishes to our jars. There we go. Now we got our jars ready to go ahead and fill them up with our brine. All right, our brine is done. Now we're gonna carefully pour it into our jars. And you wanna leave headspace on top. Now using your little tool, you're gonna just kind of press it down and make sure you get all the bubbles out. And this way the brining liquid gets around all of your radishes. All right. Next, you're gonna take a clean cloth and your vinegar. And we're gonna wipe down all of our rims. You don't want nothing on them or else your jars will not seal properly. All right, next we're gonna go in with our lids. We're gonna just place them right on top. And our rings, we're gonna do them finger tight. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get our water bath canner ready. All right, friends, so we've got our canner here. We're just gonna go ahead and place our jars inside of the canner. And because we are water bath canning, once I get all the jars in, I need to make sure that the water is above the jars. All right. Now we're gonna go in with our lid. We are not gonna tighten it. This is my pressure canner, but we're gonna use it as a water bath canner just by leaving it like this. We're gonna wait until we hear it boiling on the inside. Then we'll go ahead and start our timer, and we will process these for 10 minutes. So I'll see y'all back in a little bit. All right, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. And pull out our jars. Look at how pretty those look. All right, and there we go. So we're gonna let those sit for 12 hours. They should seal. Once they seal, then you can go ahead and put them in your pantry and use them whenever you want. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me today in the kitchen as we made some pickled radishes from the garden. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.